Hey y'all, it's Kinah. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Q4 2021 Goldmine CoCo Peyton subscription bundle. Y'all, that was a mouthful. So if you're interested in seeing what's in here, stay tuned. Alright, so y'all, I cut it open. Oh, big. Okay, so I guess that's to protect this desk pad, and we got some stickers. All right, y'all, so let's get into this. Let me put these pieces over here because she might have a use for that later. Y'all, look at this desk pad. I don't even want to cut it open, but I need to see these pages. So it says, January, the beginning is the most important part of the work. And that's a quote by Plato. Put that away. Y'all know I'll mess around and slice all 10 fingers off. So first of all, I love that we got this space over here to write, because I swear I use more of this over here than I actually do over here. So here's January. Let's flip through. February, how you teach yourself is how you love yourself is how you teach others to love you. Okay, Miss Pepe. We got March. The amount of good luck coming your way depends on your willingness to act. Hey, it's working it out, okay? April. Every storm is part of your journey. May. Work hard in silence. Let success be your noise. June. Wear gratitude like a cloak, and it will feed every corner of your life. July, success is an independent decision. Go ahead, Pay. August, success isn't overnight. It's when every day you get a little bit better than before. It adds up. September, you always have the power to create change. October, no matter the situation, never let your emotions overpower your intelligence. November, wait a minute. That was October. Did I do September? Dang. I'm missing stuff? No, I didn't miss it. Oh, goodness. November, life is all about balance. You don't always need to be getting stuff done. Sometimes it's perfectly okay to shut down, sit back, and do nothing. And then December, you can create the life you want by Lisa Bonet. Yes, Pay, give it to us. So we got this desk pad calendar, y'all. So cute. Let's get into this sticker pack, y'all, because I love the direction that Goldmine CoCo is going with these stickers, baby. But before we jump into these stickers, I see a magnet down in here, y'all. It's been a little bit. Yes, Pay, work. Yes, do it. I love that. So we got the new Goldmine CoCo card in here. Let's get into these stickers. Okay, back to business. Successful business is all about taking risks. Don't rush the process. Believe quality is the best business plan. Don't quit. Remember why you started. Hustle. Then we got Pepe and light brown and brown doing various things. Focus. And we got these colored dots down here. Girl, Pepe do not have a card out for Afterpay. Ooh, child. Doing it for myself. Got this. I can do it. We've got some sticky note types stickers. And then we have this functional page with our dots and squares and boxes. Remember, important bills due. Pepe on the computer. Pepe paying these bills. She looks stressed. Y'all look. Pay stressed. We got some date dots, some more boxes, and a long box. Back to business, banner, some more date dots, 2 sets of date covers, days of the week covers, and another box here. And then we got Boss Babe, the one who knows it's difficult but not impossible. She will do everything she needs to reach her goals. Balance, the one who knows what she can control and what she cannot. Brave, the one who has the courage to dream, grow up, and be what she is meant to be. Builder, the one who trusts the process and always delivers more than expected. Believer, The one who doesn't give up even if she wants to. She relies only on God and her abilities. And bold, the one who stands tall in her truth, knows her worth, and is not afraid to say no. And then we have these boxes here, goals, focus, to do. We've got Peyton again doing random things. She's working, doing more work. Look at her Goldmine CoCo pouch, y'all. Cute. Paying more bills. She's stressed out, y'all. Stop waiting for tomorrow, girl. Start now. And then we've got some scripts here. Business plans, priorities, deadlines. Love it. Projects. Some more boxes. We got traveling pay because pay got stuff to do on the go. And then the last page, we have Monday through Friday. Get it done. We've got some location. Another set of date covers, note, and some boxes. So, y'all, that is our sticker pack. Love it, y'all. So, this is the Q4 Goldmine CoCo sub box, Peyton sub box. If you enjoyed this unboxing, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.